Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Project C1. Today we're changing the wing. Finally. I've only been meaning to get around to this for a year, but we've got the weather, we've got the time, we've got the tools. Let's get on with it. Okay, so in this one I'm going to be replacing the wing. As you can see, we have a used wing here. It's dirty, but it works. But there's the reason why. It got reversed into by a taxi a number of years ago when my niece owned the car. So it's time to get this wing replaced. In order to do that, I've taken the headlight out already. There's a screw there, a screw there. This edge actually snapped, so I might just glue that as well while I'm here. There's a nut there for it. Sorry. There's one behind here, which I'll show you in a second. And there's one behind this panel here. And a number of little plastic rivets and things like that around the wheel arch, and then it should just pop out. So, as we can see now, we've got the wing off. It was a little bit more involved than I thought. There's a nut there, a nut there, a nut there, a nut there, a nut down on the sill just there, and then you've got to take all the plastic bits out to get the wheel well line off. So we've got that out. We've got the new one, that's not a drama. But I did notice something quite alarming. This is the front panel, this is the crash bar. It's crispy and the rest of the front panel isn't looking too good either. So I'm thinking I might have to weld in a new front panel at some point. Have priced it up, they're only about 60 quid. It's not a big deal. But for now, let's just get this wing on and we'll get that job done. So we've got the new wing on. It isn't perfect by any means. There's a very slight dent there, but we'll take care of that when we come to do the bodywork. It is a bit dirty, it's not a problem. Pop this cap back on. There we go. Pop the indicator light back in. That's that done. All we need to do now is just, and I'm going to do this bit off camera, I'm going to fix that bracket, the one that appears to have been snapped, so we can fix that back onto the wing in there. And then I'm going to put the bumper back on for now. I was going to do some modification to the bumper. I've got some spotlights to go in the bumper, but I think given the state of that front panel, that's going to have to take a back burner on that one. So I'll get a front panel ordered up even. Back panel, what am I talking about? So we'll get that ordered up. We'll pop the wheel arch liner back in and then we'll call that a day, I think. So that's the wing all replaced then. It was a reasonably simple job, all things considering. There was only 5 bolts, 2 of them I completely forgot about. I thought they were clipped in, but they weren't, they were bolted. One of them is in the inner wheel well. That was an awkward fiddly one to get to. You have to remove all the plastic trim and everything. And the other one was on the sill, which I should have known about really, but whatever, it's a learning curve. It came off reasonably easy. Take the indicator off, take the headlight off, bumper off, that sort of good stuff. I did already forethink this one. I didn't even know if forethink was a word. But I bought all the clips and things like that necessary to put the bumper back on, you know, the wing clips that hold it on. I've had them for a while as well, so it's about time we got round to doing this, to be honest. In doing so though, I did find that 2 of the headlight clips that go through the wing into the structure of the car were broken. So I glued them back together using a bit of Q-bond, and they're as strong as they've ever been now. They're great. And as you saw in the video, the dreaded tin worm has reared its head. Brilliant. With a car this age, it's not unknown for things to rust, but and it's not a structural part, but I'm not using the car now until I've fitted a new front panel. So that's going to be ordered up today. That'll be in one of the next videos coming up. But that's going to involve some cutting, welding, that sort of good stuff. So I'm going to have to enlist the cane help on that one. I suppose that means I'm going to have to learn to weld as well, isn't it? I'm not very good at welding. But yeah, it was a relatively simple job, and it's brought up a little bit more content for the video as well, for the next video. Speaking of next video, if you did like it, remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified next time I drop a video. And if you did like it and you are feeling generous enough, you can buy me a coffee. Link in the description below. You can follow me on Instagram down here. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that sort of good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.